Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you specifically, completely, and fully in this super easy tutorial how to turn off the alarm on a Casio F105 digital watch. This will be a beginner tutorial, just as I said earlier, so let's get right into the video. So that intro was a real mouthful. I don't know why I added in all those extra words, but I'm going to show you essentially how to turn off the alarm on a Casio F105 digital watch like the one you see right here, and it's going to be a beginner tutorial. So basically, as you can see right here, the alarm is set on the watch, and it's going to go off. I can tell you that because of this little sort of like that little symbol at the top there with all of those little swirls. It almost looks similar to like a sort of like a Wi-Fi symbol, almost sideways. But essentially, and it's not a Wi-Fi symbol, definitely not on this watch. You don't have Wi-Fi on this watch, but it looks similar to that with like with all those waves, almost like a sound symbol. That's what I should say, like sound waves. I think that's what it's meant to be, not Wi-Fi. That's what it's meant to represent, not the Wi-Fi. Anyways, the Wi-Fi, the Wi-Fi. I don't even know what people call it. I know some people call it Wi-Fi, and I thought they were joking, and I was like, what? They really think that's what it's called. As far as I know, it's called Wi-Fi. Anyways, that's a whole different, argument that we're gonna have there another day. But to turn off this alarm is really easy. You want to go to the alarm screen. So first and foremost, press the mode button. When you're on the alarm screen, okay, if your alarm is set, you're going to see a little symbol up there where my thumb is, as you can see right there. To cycle through the symbols, you're going to press this bottom right button over and over again. So if I press it again, now that symbol turned off and now the alarm is not set, but the hourly chime is going to go off because that's what that symbol represents right there, that little bell. If I press it again, okay, both of them are set. Now the alarm will go off and the hourly chime will go off. And I press it again, none of them will go off. So essentially, if yours is like this, the alarm is set, the alarm will go off, but not the hourly chime. If it's like this, the hourly chime will go off, but not the alarm. If it's like this, both of them will go off. And if it's like this, none of them will go off. So if you want to turn off the alarm, it needs to either be like this, where none of them are going off, or it needs to look like this, where it's just the hourly chime. As long as those little sound wave symbols are not there, your alarm will be turned off. So just get it turned off. I like them both turned off like that, unless I need an alarm specifically. Once you've turned off your alarm, you can press the mode button once again. And as long as you toggle through something on the screen, you press the mode and it'll go back to the main screen. If you didn't toggle through anything, then if you're on the alarm screen and you didn't touch anything else, you didn't toggle through any of the options, if you press the mode again, it goes to the timer feature, and then you gotta press it one more time to go to the home screen. But if you go to the, once again, you go to the timer feature, and then it goes to the time setting part on the home screen, you push it one more time and you're on the home screen. But if you go to the alarm feature and you toggle through some of the options like this, all you gotta do is press this button, the mode button, one more time, and you're back at the home screen. And that's it. That is how to turn off the alarm on this specific digital watch. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a nice big thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.